Welcome class 9 students. Students will solve the exercise number, I think 2.5. 2.5 exercise number 2.5 from question number 5. Previous video you have to solve up to question number 4. In this video we will start from question number 5. So first some question number 5.1, factorize. That expression is given. We have to factorize. In the previous day we have done the formula a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, and also the sign, where sign will be minus and plus, that we have also discussed. Now in this video, 4x square means we can write that is 2x square, 9y square means 3y square, 4z square. This video, 2 first term is to arrange this term, these three terms, 2ab, 2bc, 2 is the common is 2, that's why I have written here 2. Now xy, it means relating these two terms, xy, x means you have 2x and 3y, okay. Next minus 2 yz, y and z is there, y and z means we have to write these two terms, that is 3y into 4z. Next minus 2 xz, x and z, right, 2 into 2x into 4z, just multiply by 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay, and one thing students, when it changes into a plus b plus c whole square in the form, just observe these two terms are in minus, negative, and common terms, that is z, that's why. So before z we put minus. Why we put minus? Just observe yz and xz, common terms is, common variable is z. So in front of z we put minus, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Why we should put minus? Got it? I am again telling you, as because these two terms has minus and the common terms z, that's why you put here minus. Okay, so this is the first sum. Now second sum, moving on, second sum. I am solving sum number 3. Sum number 2 is our homework, okay. That is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square, 2x square plus y square minus 2 root 2 xy, 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz plus, minus 8xz, okay. So first root 2x square, that is root 2 into root 2, x into x, that can be written as root 2x whole square, okay, root 2x whole square. So first term 2x square can be converted into root x whole square plus y square, whole square. 8z, how can you write 8z into square form, 8z square? So student, we know that 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, what will be the value of 2 root 2 into 2 root 2? 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2, 2, that is 8. Okay, so 8 means 8 equal can be written as 2 root 2 whole square. Now put it, that is 2 root 2 z whole square, okay, minus first two terms xy, relating these two terms, 2 formula 2, that is 2 into root 2 x into y, 2 root 2 xy plus, sign is plus, I have written that 2 yz, So yz means you should put 2 into y into 2 root 2 z. 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2 yz minus 2 into xz. X means root 2 y into that is x, and z part is 2 root 2 z. 2 2s are 4, root 2 to root 2 2, 4 2s are 8, matched. Okay, now moving on the formula, that is minus is occurs these two terms, first term and third term, 2ab term. What is the common part of the these two parts, this common variable of these two parts? That is x. So before x we should write minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square, and it can be written as in such way, that is minus root 2x plus y 2 root 2 z and minus root x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Okay, plus 2 root 2 z. Now coming to the question number 6. Coming to the question number 6, expand 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. So x plus y whole cube can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and x minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, these are the formula. So here x plus y whole cube, so that is first term x cube, 2x cube, second term y cube, y means 1 cube, plus 3xy, that is 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. Now 2x cube means 8x cube, 1 cube means 1, 6x into 2x, that is 12x square, 6x into 1, that is 6x. So if I arrange this term according to order, that is the expansion of 2x plus y, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, 2x plus 1 whole cube, that is the first part. Now solving fourth part. Okay, that is x minus 2y by 3 whole cube, x minus 2y by 3 whole cube. So a cube minus b cube. So first term x cube, second term 2y minus 3 whole cube minus 3x into 2y minus 3 into x minus 2y by 3. So x cube means x cube, that is x cube, 2y by 3 whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8y cube, by 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Next 3 reduce, that is 2xy into x minus 2y by 3. So x cube minus 8y cube by 27 minus 2xy into x, that is 2x square y, minus, that is 2 2s are 4, 4xy square by 3, 4xy square by 3, that is the sorry, one minus plus here. Okay, minus into minus plus. Okay, this is the solve of question number 4th part of 6. Remaining two sums are homework, students. Okay, try it to home. Otherwise, I will solve in the next video. Now, question number 7. Question number 7. That is 99 cube. Today we will solve up to this sum. This is the last sum of this video. Next video we will solve from question number 8. I think, sorry, question number 7 has 3 parts. Next video we will also solve next 3 parts of the question number 7. Expand it. So 100, 99 means 100 minus 1. Okay. X minus 5 whole cube. Apply this theorem. Apply this theorem. So that is 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 x into y, 100 minus 1. 100 cube means 6 zeros. 2, I think that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs, okay? Minus 1. 3 into 100, 300 into 100 minus 1. 10 lakh minus 1, that is 30,000, minus plus 300. Now these two I am adding, that is, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now that is 3001, 30,001. Okay, now subtracting these two we get 970 229, 970 229, not 299. Okay, 1 okay, 2, that is 970 299. Okay students, if you have any doubt regarding this video, today's video, which will be uploaded, any doubt in this regarding this video you have, you can ask me in ePortal. I will try to solve your question and be regular in ePortal, okay, and solve every day's practice work. Thank you.